Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial in which we will learn to change desktop image in Mark ERP software. Basically, by using change desktop image, you can change the home screen image of Mark ERP software. So, to change image of home screen, you will go to Masters menu, then Mark Setups, and then enter on change desktop image. Then you will click on directory button from this window. Then you will browse that image from this location of selecting window and select the image which you want to change or set. Suppose the image which we want to change is on desktop, so we will select desktop here. Then after selecting the image, click on select button, and after browsing the image, software will get closed for once. So now we will restart the software and you can see the home screen image has been changed. There is also another shortcut to change home screen image. For that, from here you will click on change image, then browse that image from this same directory window which you want to set. And if you want to delete the image which you have set or replace with the default image, so firstly you will exit the software, then go to the file location where your Mark ERP software is installed. Then from here enter on my screen folder and from here delete this image or the images. Now let's restart the software and here you can see that home screen has been set again on default image. So friends, in this way we have learnt about the desktop change image in Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.